I'm not sure if it's the color. I'm not sure if it's the wig. Watch more reviews, see what other people are saying. I'm telling y'all what Miss Khrissy is saying.
We appreciate your help. Thank you so much.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Today, we're feeling curly and we're feeling yaki. That's how we feeling today. So I'm going to be reviewing a wig for you guys sent over by OUTRE. This wig is Vanya, and I do have some things to tell y'all about this wig, so y'all want to stay tuned. I'm going to show y'all how I install this wig, and then I'm going to wrap it up with my final thoughts. If you're new here, thank you for coming by. If you are a returning subscriber, hey, how y'all doing? I appreciate y'all. I do a little bit of skincare on this channel, and I would say makeup, but I haven't done a makeup video in a long time. Anyway, a lot of hair reviews. Consider sticking around. You will be back. Give this video a thumbs up for me. It does help push me out to the YouTube world. And hit that subscribe button. Let's jump into it.
Hey friends, so this is the OUTRE Vanya wig in 18 inches, and I have the color DR Red Velvet. It comes with these nice pretty curls, this nice soft yaki texture, a nice natural texture. Kind of reminds me of Nisha, but I'll talk about that later. So this is what the cap is looking like. You're going to get 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and you also get an elastic band if you choose to wear her glueless. So I went and did a ball cap, y'all. You absolutely don't need to do that. I had some time on my hands, y'all, so I was just playing in the mirror doing ball cap. But yeah, putting her on, I was happy, y'all. I was like, oh, she cute. This is what the hairline is looking like fresh out the pack. At first, I didn't know what I wanted to do with this hairline, but I decided to go in and customize it. Y'all know how I do. I like to customize my hairlines, and I just tweezed it up just a little bit in the front. Make sure you be careful, y'all. You guys can still get holes. I got holes. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and tint my lace using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 360, and then I just use a little bit of bedhead to hold that powder in place. I was feeling this ball cap, y'all. I was proud of myself. So when I put it on, this is what it was looking like. This is the first day, so I'm about to show y'all what happened. I went ahead and I was trying to install this lace. I'm just fast forwarding in this part real quick because it don't really matter. Because check this out.
The next morning.
Yes, you read right. The next morning. I wasn't happy, so I plucked it some more. Woosah. We did this twice.
1 hour later.
So yeah, next morning, 1 hour later, I just went ahead and installed it off camera. I've done plenty of videos of how I do it. It's pretty much the same technique every video. I'm just breaking up some of that adhesive, and then I'm going in with a little bit of rubbing alcohol because it gets a little flaky and cakey. Not too bad, but that's what happens after, and this is what it's looking like. So then I'm going in with my contour stick, just tinting and matching that lace a little bit more so we don't see any casts. No casts. Okay. So because that hairline was still looking a little bit just too straight to my liking, I went in with a little bit of swoops on the side. I don't normally do this, but I think it kind of breaks up that hairline from looking so straight across. I'll explain later. And we're just creating some swoops. You know, some wigs I do think doing this makes a difference, and some wigs I think you don't need it, but that's what I'm doing here. So these are all the products I use to create these swoops. This is optional, do it if you like, but I think I was happy with what the end results came out to looking like because that hairline was just a little bit too dense for me and I wasn't feeling it. But anyway, just customizing a little bit more. I'm just pressing that lace in just a little bit more. Y'all see that melt? We're melting and coming together, y'all. Yes. So I'm going in with a little bit of powder. Y'all know the drill if you're not new here. Just putting it in the parting space and putting it on the lace to make it look a little bit more realistic. And then I'm going in with some new wig spray. Yes, I have a new wig spray. But this kind of helps with some of the tangles and the texture and just kind of helps soften up the wig just a little bit. So I'm just going to finish up with a little bit of customizations. You know, the hot comb, the tangles, and I'm going to talk to y'all in a little bit.
friends. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys some specs first, then I'm gonna give you some pros, some cons. Y'all know all the jazz, all the stuff, all the goodness. How y'all feeling? Y'all okay? So this is the Outre Melted Hairline Vanya wig, and this is the color Red Velvet, feeling like a nice dessert. I love this color, and I get reminded why. A few specs about this wig is from the Melted Hairline collection. I say it all the time. If you're not watching the videos, what are you doing with your life? But if you're new here, this is the Melted Hairline collection. It's a very beginner-friendly collection from Outre, meaning you're just going to get a standard lace part. You're going to get a lace frontal effect. It is 18 inches. Okay. I'm liking the length. This comes with these nice curls. And then in the back, you get a lot of nice other pretty colors in here. Ginger brown, chocolate swirl, golden honey. Y'all know. We got color options. Outre never disappoints when it comes to the colors. And you also get some natural colors. So this texture on this wig is very natural. Natural meaning if your hair looks like mine. So this is a 4C blowout texture. So this is the YAKI texture that a lot of people love. This is definitely giving me Nisha. What is on my shirt? Something was wet. It was distracting me. Focus. So you're gonna get a nice natural blowout texture with this wig. She's very thick. A lot of nice pretty curls. It comes with these nice layers. Let's go ahead and jump into how I feel about this wig. So let's start off with some cons and then I'll jump into some pros. So a few cons with this wig. As you guys saw, I did go ahead and pluck up this wig. This is from the Melted Hairline collection. I just reviewed a wig from the Melted Hairline collection, and I told y'all how I love this collection because the lace does melt. The melting is there. But what I noticed is with these YAKI textures on the Melted Hairline collection, the hairline is kind of more dense, and I'm guessing because of the texture they have to put on this wig. This is a synthetic wig, so you're gonna get more of like a Kanekalon braiding hair texture. Speaking of textures, yeah, this is giving me like kind of Nisha texture, but it's also giving me, it's kind of rough, y'all. Like this texture is kind of rough. Yeah, she's gorgeous. She's very pretty, but it's kind of rough. Now, I don't know if it's because of the color. I have reviewed this color before in the past in Anisha, and I also reviewed this color in Martina. And what I noticed is that the textures do change. So keep that in mind when you guys are picking out your colors, when you're picking out your wigs, when you're watching reviews and people are telling you stuff. I have Red Velvet. Check out this video right here, my Outre Martina wig. I noticed that the textures in that video, the textures were different when it came to the colors. So I have Red Velvet and the texture is a little rougher around the edges, okay? But she's cute, y'all. So I just wanted to make sure I did mention that. I'm not sure if it's the color. I'm not sure if it's the wig. Watch more reviews, see what other people are saying. I'm telling y'all what Miss Khrissy is saying.
We appreciate your help. Thank you so much.
As far as that, that's okay because she's still very pretty, but it also is a little scratchy. I'm just being honest. As you guys noticed, I did start this review off kind of in a different kind of white shirt. I don't know if y'all was paying attention, but I did because I filmed this wig twice. This is actually my second install on this wig. And the first time that I installed this wig, I wasn't really like love. I wasn't like first eyes in love, you know. The hairline was really dense. So I went in and I plucked up this wig and I got reminded that you have to be careful when you pluck up your wigs. I got some holes in this wig, y'all. So I don't know if I was tired or what, but I got a lot of holes in this wig. And somebody did ask me when they watched this, if you don't know how to pluck the wig, check out this video right here. Y'all, I got videos for days. In this tutorial right here, somebody did ask me, you know, about holes and stuff. So be very mindful if you choose to pluck up your wig, you still can get holes. These tweezers are sharp. So I did get some holes in here. Hence why you seeing this and a little bit of this if you see it. But I did get some holes, so I did want to mention that. Be very careful. But I think you can get away with not plucking it because it is a standard middle part. If you want to kind of like brush her back a little bit, I think you have to put a little bit of work into it because of the texture on this melted hairline. The YAKI texture makes the hairline look more dense because of the fibers they have to use. Y'all understand what I'm trying to tell y'all? And then I also did go in with a little bit of baby hairs too. Y'all know I don't really do too many baby hairs, but I just felt like to break up the hairline a little bit and kind of give it a little bit more natural feel. I went in with like some swoops. You know, I didn't do too much. I think it does make a difference when you do that because it breaks up that hairline and it doesn't look as straight going across. It looks a little bit more natural, more realistic, and she is cute. I did also go in with a new product. Y'all know I always got new stuff. But this right here, if you are considering doing baby hairs, I do suggest using this little, this is a 1/2 inch flat iron, and I'm really happy that I got this because with going in with the baby hairs or adult hairs or whatever y'all want to call it, college hairs, I don't know what y'all want to call these hairs, it does make a difference with making it curly because this is a synthetic wig, so it's kind of hard. What I noticed when I don't curl it is that it's straight, and it makes a difference with kind of swooping it a little bit. So I definitely do suggest this. It doesn't come in different temperatures. I think it just goes up to like 400 degrees. This right here, this little small one, if you're doing college graduate hairs, then this one definitely makes a difference. But be careful too, because this gets really hot and you can burn your forehead. So be very careful if you choose to use this. I did go in with some synthetic wig spray. Y'all know the products. This is a synthetic wig. Act like you know exactly what you jumped into. This is a synthetic wig, so you have to go in with a little bit of products, okay? You can't just wear her out the back. I did go in with this new synthetic wig spray, and I really do like this spray. It's like all the sprays I've been showing y'all, but I just like this one because it smells good. It smells like candy. It really does condition up your wig. It kind of softens it up just a little bit. It's still gonna be rough around the edges. Don't say I didn't tell you it's gonna be all soft. No, it does soften it up just a little bit, and I did go in with some serum. I definitely do recommend going in with both of these products, especially on this kind of texture wig. Also, this part right here is falling because it is a synthetic wig, okay? But you can go in with hot rollers and fix that back up and put her back into place, or you could just push her back, okay? Y'all stop complaining about these wigs. This is a look. It's absolutely a look. I do like her. This wig is reminding me of a lot of other wigs I have reviewed before. It's reminding me of, I think, Nisha. The recent one I reviewed, I think Nisha 210. It's reminding me of another Nisha. I can't remember which one. It's giving me Julianne vibes. It's giving me all kind of other Outre vibes. But it's an option. It's a different kind of version. It's a different kind of option. It's a different kind of length. It's a different kind of curl. So that's kind of what they're giving us, I guess. But I would have liked to see a different, maybe improvement. If you're going to keep giving us the same wig, give us a different improvement. Like, work on the hairline or work on the texture, because this texture is rough. I don't know. Maybe put this on a human hair blend wig. Overall, pros, I do think she's very pretty. I think she's definitely a glam wig. This is a wig that you're going to make a statement with. I'm curious to see how other people are feeling about this wig, especially in different colors, because like I said, for me in this red velvet, it was a little stiff. But overall, I think she's pretty. I think she's very cute. She's a look. You just kind of have to keep positioning her, which I don't want to keep doing that with my wigs all night. But she's cute. She's a look. Not sure I love her. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. Drop me some comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye.